What's up, my makeup slayers? My name is Eve. In this video, we are doing another unboxing. It's going to be the Boxycharm Luxe box. This box is going to cost you $60 a month. You're going to get a box every 3 months, so that means you're going to get a box 4 times a year. I am not sponsored. I paid for this box myself. I'm going to go ahead and show you the card. And it's going to be the Winter Luxe box. I have all my notes on these products right over here, so I have tried them, so I know if I love them or hate them. Now, before I grab the first product, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Now, as I grab the first item, I'm so stoked this was in the box. This over here is worth the entire box for me. Their highlighters from this brand is absolutely amazing. You get what you pay for. They are worth every cent, in my opinion. So this is going to be the Ofra, and it's the On The Go Pro palette. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the names of it so you can see how gorgeous this palette is. And you get 3 highlights with it, 2 bronzers, and 1 blush. So I'm going to go from the top to bottom on this. This over here is going to be the Blissful Highlight. Over here is a bronzer with some luminosity to it. It's going to be the Egyptian Clay Bronzer. And then over here is going to be the Americano bronzer. This is going to be a matte bronzer. Then over here is going to be the California Dream Triangle. This is the blush of it. Then we have the Beverly Hills highlighter over here. And then we have the Rodeo Drive highlighter that we all know and love. That is the first thing I've tried from this brand. And that's when I fell in love with it and I couldn't stop buying their highlighters. Now, like I said, you get what you pay for on this. Everything is amazing in this palette. I absolutely love playing with it. And this is going to cost $149. So I was so stoked when I saw this in the box. This alone could have came in here and the box would have been worth it for me. All right, get rid of this. The second thing is going to be the Viseart, and this is the Seamless Setting Powder. This one is going to cost $35. I like their eyeshadows a lot, and I like their eyeshadow primer. This setting powder I did not like. Now, when I wear a setting powder, 2 things. I need it to have some color to it, and the other thing is I need it to be heavy duty. I work in the hot Florida sun, and I need it to last in that. And if it's not heavy duty, my makeup is not going to look as good as when I first put it on at 9-hour, 10-hour mark. And that's something I need. This did not deliver. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. It's absolutely beautiful packaging. I didn't like the delivery system so much, if you can see how it is. So this is going to be very lightweight. So how I'm going to finish this up, because since it was in the box, I am going to use it. So what I do is I put all my cream products on, and then I set it down before I put my powder products on, my eyeshadow. I use a heavy duty setting powder. I put that on, I brush it away, and then I add my eyeshadow. Then I brush that away and I go along with my eyeshadow. Then I do my bronzer, I do my highlight and my blush. And then to make everything seamless, I go with a lightweight setting powder. And this is where this would come in handy. If I don't have one that I'm using that's lightweight, I go ahead and use the heavy duty one just to make my life easier so I don't have multiple setting powders. But in order to use this up, that's how I'm going to use this. I would not repurchase this because, like I said, I need a heavy duty one. For this face to last in the Florida heat, that's what I need. Now we're going to go for the third item in the box. This I absolutely love. Didn't think I was going to like it for the price tag on this. This is the It's the Cat Berkey right over here. I've never heard of this brand before. And this is a vitamin C moisturizer. Take that out. It's absolutely gorgeous packaging here. This just screams my name. And this face cream is going to be $116. This has 15% vitamin C. It says that, as I hold this up, I'm going to read a few things about it. It says it will protect, brighten, and moisturize your skin. I can say I've used it 5 times and I already can see my face already brightened. The clarity of my skin, and I'm extremely moisturized. And for that, I don't want to spend the $116, but with only using it 5 times that I could see such a difference, I will definitely repurchase this because it's that amazing already. So I can't imagine when I get through this how good my skin's gonna look. So this, absolutely worth it. I'm gonna see if I need to say anything else about it. Nope, I covered everything on it. So like I said, absolutely amazing face cream, and like I said, worth every penny of the $116. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but with how my skin looked, I have a few breakouts right over here. I just had my period, so I had breakouts. So with that comes darkness. That lightened it, so now I can't even see where I had the pimples, which is amazing. And with that, a funny thing, why is it that guys, when they name their cars, their babies, girls' names, and then girls get their periods, and what do they call their zits? Guys' names. Why is that? That just popped in my head. All right, now the 4th item in the box. This is the Aceology, and this is a face mask. I did not like this at all. This is the 2nd face mask I got from this brand, and I did not like either of them. And this is why. Now, if you like a peel mask, a peel off mask, you may like this. I don't like it. I know what I was told by my dermatologist, that peel off masks are not good. When you're tugging at your skin, it's not good for your skin. So that's why I don't prefer to get those kind of masks. If you like them, you may like this a lot. This is going to be a detoxifying mask. So what I may do it as is I may do spot treatments on my nose, but what he told me to do was to put it on my face, let it dry for 15 minutes, and then wash it off. Don't peel it off. So I tried that, and it was cooling and everything, but it was difficult, like all peel off masks are, to remove. So I will probably try to finish this off on my nose, but I would not repurchase this brand. And this one is $69, so I don't think that's worth it for a peel off mask. Now I'm gonna grab the 5th item in the box. I'm gonna talk about it as I hold up. Isn't this gorgeous packaging, by the way? This is the LaRousse Beauty, and it's the Christina set. This is going to retail at $50, and I'm going to open this up and talk about it. I'm going to grab the first brush I did not like, so we can get that out of the way. This is the tapered blending brush. It did not blend worth anything. I did not like it for that. I absolutely hated this brush. I kept trying to blend. It wasn't doing that, so I had to go with my own brush over top. As you can see, my eyeshadow, I used these brushes. The only one I had to jump in was the blender brush. I had to grab my own because this did not do well. Sticking with the eyes, this says it's a concealer brush. I did not use it as that. I used it as an inner quarter highlight. Absolutely love that. Underneath the eyes, I use this brush over here. It says it's a shadow brush. I didn't use it as that. I use it underneath the eyes to blend in the eyeshadow. If you could see how pretty that is, it worked absolutely amazing. This was an amazing highlighter brush. That's what I used it as. It says a dual fiber brush. That's what I used it as. And then a blush brush over here. And let me see what it says. It just says an angle brush. So I use it as a blush brush. These are okay. The quality didn't stand out to me. I think you can get better quality at the drugstore. I would invest in, if you're going to go for drugstore, Eco Tools is amazing, Wet n Wild is amazing, e.l.f. brushes are amazing. And if you want to get something higher grade and slowly upgrade your brush set, like I said, you could see my past video, I would invest in the Scott Braun brushes. They are my absolute favorite. That's what I like to invest in when it comes to brushes. They absolutely last. And I just brought one brush at a time when I first got them. And then I invested into the set for you guys, the whole set. I thought it was absolutely worth it. I'm enjoying them so much. And that's what I would invest in. I wouldn't buy $50 of those brushes. I don't think it was worth that value. It came in the box. I'm going to absolutely use them because of that. So with that, I'm going to go into the 6th item. This is going to be the Pharmacy. This is a lot to say, so hang on with me. This is the Honeymoon Glow. It's a 12% AHA BHA resurfacing body serum. This retails at $40. I absolutely love their face serum. I went over and I use this all over my body, and the only thing that is a little sensitive is on my chest area. I got a little red on that, so I won't be using as that. Where I'm gonna focus this on, where I saw the most amazing results, is my legs. I have KP on my legs and it becomes very itchy. This put it to bed. This is one of the few items that has actually worked on my KP of not having any itch the next day. That is something outstanding, and this is the first product that has done that. So with that, I'm gonna go for the 7th item. This is going to be the Persona, and this is the Persona Cosmetics. It's a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner, and this retails for $14. This is a black liner. It's a gel liner that you have to sharpen. Show that to you. When it comes to eyeliners, I like to have a liquid felt tip eyeliner. It's just what I prefer, but far as this staying put, it did its job. It was wonderful. It glided on perfectly, no skipping. It stayed with my watery allergy eyes. So this amazed me. I liked it a lot. If it comes to spending my own money, I'm gonna get for the liquid felt tip liners. That's just what I prefer. Now the 8th item is going to be the Pure, and this is a fully charged mascara, and it's a magnetic technology. I've never tried a mascara that had magnetic technology. My mouth doesn't even want to say that. And it says fully charged by Pure Cosmetics. And a few things about this. It's magnetic technology. It's supposed to be nourishing with vitamin B. It's supposed to help strengthen your lashes. And that's something that I like about it. So a lot of nourishing mascaras, you don't get the results and the dramatic lashes. This gave it to you. So I absolutely loved it. It did not beat my Holy Grail mascara, but to have another mascara that is going to nourish my eyes and take care of my eyelashes, this is something that I'm willing to do. So I'm going to trade off and use my mascara, my Holy Grail, and then alternate days maybe use this, maybe give it a break, because I think that's absolutely amazing that this still works and it's nourishing. There's vitamins in here, and I want to take care of my lashes. I'm growing them. I'm using a growth serum on my lashes, and I can see amazing results, and I think this will just take the cake. It's icing on the cake. What can you go wrong with that? And I don't think I said the price. It is $22. So with this box, you add all the things up, the total box value is going to be $495. I absolutely think it was worth the $60 I paid. They usually blow me out of the water on this. The only thing that kind of irritates me is they've been adding a lot of hair tools on it, and the hair tools I have not liked. I like that there was no hair tools in this one. So to me, this box was absolutely worth it. Let me know what you think. Did you think your box was worth it? What was your favorite item in the box? Leave me down in the comments what you liked in your box most. I'm trying to think what was my absolutely favorite. Has to be this. That is my #1 favorite thing of the box. The second thing would be the Pharmacy Body Glow Serum. Absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna grab my co-star over here and we're gonna say bye to you. Good girl, Shuggy. Now, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.